Welcome back to Good Vibes Only. I'm your girl, Jose Boo. It's nice to meet you. And how are you? Me? I'm good, Boo. I'm good. I'm great. Okay, I know I have Jamaican clothes on. I did a lot of Jamaican songs tonight, but I can't miss this one. I need to react to this one. I've been trying to react to it from it came out, didn't get the chance. I didn't see it out, so I need to watch it. So I want to watch it with y'all. Okay, I want to watch it with y'all. So before I let you know what we're watching tonight, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and hit that bell too. And hit hit the bell like that. Hit it. Hit the bell. Hit it. Hit the bell. Hit it. Hit the bell. So you get notification when I do post a video. Yeah. Alright, so tonight we're watching K.Michelle The Rain. Okay, K.Michelle The Rain coming up. Girl, you hear the rain vibes in the background. Director Zachary. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. That dress look like Angel Bricks. Yo, red look nice and K.Michelle. You know, when time you see K.Michelle in the red wig, she's making it. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna like this video. This is what I want you to do, to like my videos. You know, okay? So like the video right now. You're watching it. Okay. Okay. I just love her voice. Yo, this when you see them, they're dancing in the rain, you know that's a hit. I love it. Okay. Okay. Ooh. I love this part. I love this. Okay. So let me ask you something. Yeah, you young man. Can you make it rain? Okay, girl, you need to stop. Alright. Let me know in the comments which scene you like best. If you like her in the rain or you like her when she's sitting on that fine ass, what would you call that chair? I don't know, but that thing was beautiful. Okay, with the wings on her head like a crown. That scene was beautiful. Let me know your favorite scene. Describe it in the comment to me. Let me know what you want me to react to in the comments. Or my social medias are right there. Instagram, I'm on Instagram every day, so easy to hit me up on Instagram. Twitter, I'm hardly on Twitter, but you can hit me up on Twitter too. Maybe I see it. Instagram is where I'm at every day, so you can just hit my DM. No matter if you have a blue check, I will see the DM because it will come on my phone that I have a message, so I will see it. Okay. And my Snapchat is right here. Snapchat comes straight to my phone, so I have to see it. So hit me up on all of these social media. Follow me on them too. Please let me know what you think of this reaction. So before we go, remember to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and hit that bell too, and hit that bell so you get notification on when Jody Boo posts a video. Yeah, see ya. Would wanna be ya. Mwah.